Okay, play my song.
Considered as the third revolution of the internet with already billions of connected objects, the Internet of Things has a very wide range of applications, including, for instance, home automation, agriculture, but also healthcare and industry. For this revolution to be a success, the IoT must meet a lot of challenges. How to program those devices to be more energy efficient so that they can be autonomous for several months or even years. How to achieve interoperability between all those connected objects and make them upgradable so that they can last longer. How to ensure their data privacy. And how to prevent them from being hacked. You are a developer, a student, an engineer, or a maker. Don't just consume things, create things. Be an IoT active player. Join us in the Mooc Internet of Things with Microcontrollers, a hands-on course, to understand the specificities of connected object programming. No hardware required to take this course. You'll be able to program and test your firmware from home using the Fit IoT Lab testbed.